Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create calendars so you can sell them on Etsy. Are you looking for a guide on how to sell calendars on Etsy? Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so we are now on Etsy.com. So just to show you before we start how all of this is possible and you can actually sell calendars on Etsy, you can just type in the search bar calendar, right? And then click on that. And as you can see, that's a lot. That's a lot of count. So it is a viable like side hustle to do. And as you can see here, 2023-24 calendar spreadsheet. It's 292, so almost $300 in Philippine money, which is around $6. Large dry erase calendar for wall, 1400, which is $12 maybe. So, and then you have like these ones: planner calendars, printable calendars, monthly planner, good notes, templates, calendars. So, as you can see here, it is very possible to sell calendars on Etsy. Is it is the demand high? Not quite, but there's still demand for it. There's still a market for it. So the thing about this is the key to this for you to sell is to not look like these, because these are very bland and plain. Unlike maybe this one or this one, but it's anime birthday calendar. So as you can see here, rated by over 1,000 people. Um, Custom acrylic monthly calendar, 2,500, over 600 people. So you kind of get it, right? Monthly planner, printable 2023 calendar, 85 people. So as you can see, there is a market for it. There is some demand for it. So how do you do this? How do you make a calendar if you don't have any graphic design experience? Very easy. You just go to Canva, or our favorite. So just go to canva.com, sign in, sign up, sign in, log into your account, because you can't do it without logging in. And I always say this whenever we use Canva to create stuff, you better use your laptop or your desktop version, because unless you're a phone person and does everything on your phone, typing whatever, then sure, by all means. But majority of people don't do that, so might as well just open your laptop or your PC and just do this like that. So here on Canva, on the search, just type in calendar, right? And there's a few options: a calendar, a wall calendar. Let's just go with calendar. And as you can see here, let's go back. It's 1920 by 1080 pixels, so that's pretty much the size. And you can also create your own using your own assets that you find online, maybe, and just click on that, and then you're going to have a blank canvas like this, and you can just upload. There's this menu here on the left hand side. You can upload from your PC, or you could just use elements to add to that, and then use the texts, right, and whatnot. But yeah. But right now we're just gonna see what we have here. Oh, by the way, if you see something like this with a little yellow crown on the lower right corner, it's Canva Pro. So we've touched on that. If you want to learn about Canva Pro, let's touch on it for a minute before we proceed. Just hover on the menu here on the top, plans and pricing, and then click on Canva Pro on Pro. And as you can see here, these are all the information you need. Yearly is almost 2,500 in Philippine money, which is like around $60 US. And then $300 Philippine money, which is like around $6 US, which is pretty affordable. I always push for this, even though we're not sponsored by Canva. You can use Canva. You're gonna see the features here. So yeah, they have AI, right? They have background remover, they have premium content, instant animation, schedule socials, templates, transparent images, is that resizing, branding and whatnot. So the good thing about this is you can edit videos and you can edit static uh, static content in one area, in one place. Unlike, oh, I'm going to use Photoshop and then upload it here. I'm going to use Premiere Pro or Final Cut and I'm going to do it. So no, with Canva, you do everything in one place. And the good thing about this is you can click on start for your free trial, and you're gonna get 30-day free trial, and you can cancel at any time. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So anyway, um, going back to um, calendars, right? Let's go back. How to do this is, so choose one. So don't choose bland one. So this is bland. This is very bland, right? So maybe this one, because I think this is one of 13. So this is by page, right? So you have the cover, you have January, February, March, April, and so on and so forth, right? So the thing about this is you can click on customize this template. Um, and you can pretty much change anything about this. So as you can see here, this is an element, this is an element, this is an element. Of course, these fonts, these copy are elements. This is an element. Everything about this is an element, right? So you could just easily change these to your liking and make it your own, right? So let's choose another one. The thing about this is like, don't do minimalist stuff. Make something that's eye catching if you want to sell more on Etsy. Because if you do this, right? So this is Pro. Let's check this out. This is very minimalist, as you can see. It's still in the title, right? It's pretty good. I would honestly like this better than, you know, cutesy stuff like this. But like what I said, if you want to sell, you'd want something like this. As you can see, it's Pro. It's behind Pro. It's behind a paywall. But as you can see, this is what you want. This is very retro-y but colorful and very clean still. It doesn't stray away from actually being a calendar and not just being a colorful picture. Because you can see August 2023, and you can even have write down notes here in the corner. You can write stuff in each, you know, in each day. So this is what you want to do. Like, so if you use Canva Pro and you can use this template, you can just change the colors, change the fonts, change the assets, and just make your own. But make it colorful, make it fun for people looking for calendars to buy, right? So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. That's a video. You can choose whatever and change it the way you want. And yeah, hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.